Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. In here we will presentation about object GPS tracker using Blink application based on ESP8266 and GPS Neo 6M V2. Okay, member of the group 2 is Alipia Febrian, Ranu Abiyu Ramadhani, Farda Mariam Aljamira, and Luxok Tafia Ramadhani. Okay, first is the topic. GPS tracker for object that use the Blink application based on ESP8266 and GPS Neo 6 MV2 are a system that leverage the ESP8266 microcontroller, Neo 6 MV2 GPS module, and Blink IoT platform to track the location of an object in real time. The Neo 6 MV2 GPS module is responsible for acquiring geographic coordinate data from satellite, while the ESP8266 acts as the main controller managing the process of data retrieval and transmission over Wi-Fi networks. Through programming, the ESP8266 obtains location data from the GPS module and sends it to the Blink server via an internet connection. The Blink application on a smartphone can then be used to monitor the object location directly, providing an intuitive user interface for displaying location data in an easily understandable format. Okay, next is problem. Problem is the loss of valuable items often poses a problem that causes concern for their owners, whether it's personal item like wallets, key, or bags, or other valuable items. Their loss can lead to inconvenience and financial loss. In this context, we will discuss the issue of lost item and how GPS tracker for object using the Blink application based on ESP8266 and GPS Neo 6M V2 can provide a solution. Okay, for the solution is inability to track location. One of the main issue when it item go missing is the inability to determine their location accurately. Without an effective tracking device, owner may struggle to locate the lost item, especially if it has been moved to an unknown location. For the solution is by using GPS tracker for object that utilize the Blink application based on ESP8266 and GPS Neo 6M V2. Owner can track the location of the lost item in real time through the Blink application on their smartphone. Okay, problem number 2 is limitation of Wi-Fi signal range. If the lost item is located outside the range of the Wi-Fi signal required to transmit GPS data, then the GPS tracker will not be able to send the location of the item. Okay, for the solution is to address the limitation, GPS tracker can be designed to have the capability to store location data locally in memory and then transmit this data to the Blink server when back within Wi-Fi range. Okay, problem number 3 is excessive power consumption. If a GPS tracker relies on battery as its power source, excessive power consumption can lead to quick battery depletion, thereby reducing the tracker lifespan and effectiveness. Okay, for the solution, it's crucial to design the system with high power efficiency, including implementing sleep modes to reduce power consumption when inactive. Okay, for the technology and system overview, object GPS tracker using Blink application based on ESP8266 and GPS Neo 6 MV2 is a tracking system that utilizes GPS technology to determine the location of an object or item. Okay, for the main component is first is ESP8266, number 2 is GPS Neo 6 MV2, and Blink application. For the location data collection is the GPS Neo 6 MV2 module will gather location data using signal from GPS satellite. And this location data is then transmitted to the ESP8266 via a serial interface such as UART. For the connection and data transmission, first is the ESP8266 will connect to an available Wi-Fi network, whether it's a home network, office network, or mobile hotspot. And number 2 is once connected to the internet, the ESP8266 will send collected location data to the Blink server using protocols such as HTTP or MQTT. For the Blink application, first, user can access the location data sent by ESP8266 through the Blink application installed on their smartphone or tablet. Number 2, within the Blink application, user can view the location of the tracked object in the form of a map or other display as per design. created by the user. For the additionally functionality, first is in addition to simply displaying the location, the system can also be configured to provide notification or alarms. And number two, user can also set the interval for sending location data to conserve battery power or limit data usage. For the function specification, first is tracking location in real time using GPS signal. Number two is sending location data wirelessly to the Blink application. Number three, allowing user to view the location directly through the Blink application. Number four, storing location data for display or analysis at a later time. And number five is providing notification to user if the device is out of range or the battery is running low. Okay, the next presentation will be presented by Ranu Abiyu Ramadhani.
Okay, the software specification. First is programming language Arduino. Second is libraries is GPS library for ESP, and the third is operating system is not required as the microcontroller runs the program directly. Fourth is communication protocol with TCP IP for communication with Blink. Five is application development using Blink platform to display location data. Six is data processing, parsing GPS data and sending necessary information to the Blink. Seven is additional features, is including power saving mechanism, setting location update interval and handling unstable connection. By following specification above, this project will result a GPS tracker that can connect to the Blink. Next. So this is the hardware specification. We have a microcontroller, the ESP8266, which is the main microcontroller. And then we have module GPS. This is for the GPS. And then next. And then we have a power supply, the battery for the voltage to the prototype, and then GPS antenna, and then like other component. Next. So this is the system design from the ESP. We'll go to the GPS, and then the GPS will send the data to the ESP, and then from the ESP will send the data to the Blink application. Next. Physical design. The first is ESP. The ESP, not MCU, is microcontroller, is responsible for controlling GPS, the data acquisition. Two is GPS Neo 6MV2. This GPS module is used to obtain location data that will be transmitted to the ESP, and the battery or external power source provide power to the ESP and GPS. GPS antenna is optional, so we don't use a GPS antenna. And then PCB, the printed circuit board used to assemble the file component. Next. The logical design. ESP program. This program will run a continuous loop to retrieve location data from the GPS Neo 6MV2 module. Send location data to the Blink Power server using TCP or IP. Handle request and command from the Blink application, such as requesting current location information or setting other preference. Manage power efficiently to convert battery consumption if using a battery power source. Six is Blink application. This application will provide a user interface to view the device location in real time, send command or other requests to the device, and receive notification if the device goes out of range. Next. The communication design. Communication between ESP and GPS Neo system is the ESP will communicate with GPS module using the serial protocol to retrieve location data. The communication between ESP and Blink application, the ESP will communicate with the Blink server via Wi-Fi connection using TCP or RIP protocol to send location data. And receive command from the Blink application. With this design, the GPS tracker system can retrieve location data from the GPS module, send it to the Blink application. Next. Next. Okay. Planning schedule. So this is a planning schedule. We can see. Next, this is the budget. All of the budget is one. Next. So this is the budget. The total cost is 115 rupiahs, and this is the progress program code. So the next will be presented by my friend Farda.
Okay, next. So this is the process. The left is the component and the right is the result. Okay, next. This is the result and discussion implementation. At this stage, we have college material, create the program, and develop the prototype. Materials were created careful to meet specification. The program was conducted, tested, and developed for acquire the prototype with assembly, ensuring mechanical and functional integrity. Okay, next. This is the final of the program code from the Arduino. Okay, next. In this tool, the main power source is a 9-volt battery. However, during the current implementation stage, we are using a laptop power source for stability and ease of testing. Okay, next. This is the wiring of the GPS module GPIO and ESP 8266 GPO. Okay, the next presentation will be my friend Ali Pian.
Okay, the next is the testing. Next slide. Okay, during testing, when the GPS starts moving, its position is detected in real time, and Blink application provide their adequate internet signal. If the GPS is within 10 meters of the signal's source, it continuously update the location data. Beyond 10 meters, real-time update cases and the GPS send the less known location. This ensure the Blink app provide the most accurate information possible given to network condition. Okay, next slide. Next. Okay, the conclusion, various steps we are complete in this implementation stage, including material collection, program creation, and prototype development. Materials we are carefully get her to meet specification. The program was coded, test, and the budget in ensuring to ensuring functionality and to prototype was assembled and tested for both mechanical and functional integrity. The program integrates test libraries for serial communication, GPS, Wi-Fi, and the Blink platform managing connection and data transmission. It collects GPS data and send into the Blink platform for the real-time display. The prototype is currently powered by a laptop for stability, with plans to switch to the 9-volt battery. During testing, the GPS position update in real time on the Blink app in within 10 meters of an internet signal. Beyond this range, instead, it sends the last known connection, ensuring the app provides accurate information based on available network condition. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is the demonstration video. And this is the demonstrate the prototype. Okay, maybe enough from our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.